Hi everyone, we are on day 3 of the 31 Days of Halloween series, Manny, and we're going to start off today by dipping into new colors from Kozmik Nails. Now this is a new collection that was just released today, and it's such a fun Halloween collection. The color that we're dipping into right now is called A Scare is Born, and I just love that because it's a twist on A Star is Born because it has this beautiful orange dip color base, and then it has really fun elements. You can see there's like this black confetti pieces, there is circular black glitter, and then there's these really fun stars as well that just like tie this Manny in, just like a fun Halloween twist with these black stars that have a really cool like holographic black shift to them. And then we're going to dive into another color from the collection, and it is called Bow Down Witches, which is a really pretty, it's like a black color, and it has a really awesome like shiftiness of these really tiny microflakes that are blues and purples. It's really fun. It's kind of giving me like a Midnight Galaxy kind of sky vibe, and you're going to see that color here in action. Now these two colors are part of a new collection that was just released from Kozmik Nails, and the collection name is so fun. It is called Where My Ghouls At. So instead of Where My Girls At, it is Where My Ghouls. So super fun and spooky, great names and theme for Halloween. So today we are doing that gel method. We're going to do 2 dips of this beautiful orange, and you can see that I'm picking up more of those elements in the dip base. There it has like some stars and some confetti pieces, but we are going to hand place some more. I'm only going to show you one nail of the hand placement so you can kind of see an idea of how to place them. But these elements in the dip powder were really easy to place, and with the gel method, everything worked out really well with hand placing. Now, if you are hand placing with your dip liquids, the dip liquid will dry faster, so you might have to go in with another layer of your dip liquids when you're hand placing, but it was really fun to hand place everything for this Manny and play with some of the bigger stars. All right, so we are on day 3 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. If you've missed the first 2, you can go back and rewatch them, but don't forget at the end of this video to fill out that Google form because that random picture is going to pop up anywhere in this video, and to enter in that epic giveaway, you will need to fill out the Google form for your entry. All right, so let's dive into this Manny process, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. All right, so we're finishing up with that gel base. We're going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then to seal in everything, we're going to go in with a layer of gel top coat. And you'll notice with this application of gel top coat that these stars are laying really flat to the nail. They're not sticking up or anything like that. So here's the finished mani after I cured it for 60 seconds, and I just love how this turned out. It's just giving me like spooky midnight skies vibes, and I'm totally loving the orange paired with this beautiful black, and it has like the most gorgeous foils in there. This is overall a really fun mani and a different twist of things for Halloween. And the stars, I really like how when the light hits it, it has this really pretty like color shift to it, and everything just really just flows together and becomes with one with this mani, and I am totally obsessed with it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and list everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Stay tuned. We will be playing with more Cosmic Nails dip powders in this series. I really like this new collection and how the powder is applied. I did have that on that middle nail, I did have a bare spot, but that was my fault because I did not put the gel base all the way up to that cuticle line. So that was a me problem, but I really love how these powders performed, and it's just overall such a fun collection. So don't forget to fill out that Google form for your entry for that giveaway, and I'll see you all in the next one.